In this short video, ipapakita ko sa iyo kung ano ang My Ipon Diary Book Review. Manatili lamang hanggang sa dulo ng video na ito dahil meron akong ipamimigay sa iyo na makakatulong para sa pag-aaral mo tungkol sa pag-invest. Ano nga ba ang My Ipon Diary Book Review? My Ipon Diary, a simple-to-use saving diary to help you achieve your financial goals. Makakatipid ka na, makakaipon ka pa. Dito sa diary na ito, matututo ka kung papaano ang tamang pamamaraan ng pag-iipon. Malalaman mo ang tamang diskarte at pananaw sa pag-iipon. Madidiskubre mo na pwede palang magkasya ang iyong kita at makakaipon ka pa. Magkakaroon ka ng tamang gabay at inspirasyon para magtagumpay ka sa pag-iipon. And you will realize na napakadali palang mag-ipon. Matapos mong gawin ito, sigurado ako na makaka-hashtag ipon pa more ka and become financially secure, become financially responsible, and become financially disciplined. So ano nga ba ang nilalaman ng simple to use saving diary? Number 1, YOLO, or you only live once. Number 2, goal of this Ipon diary. Number 3, bakit mas madaling mag-ipon ng taba kaysa pera? Number 4, ano ba ang isang iponaryo? Number 5, 7 reasons why you should hashtag ipon pa more. Number 6, paano makakatipid ng 100,000 at maging isang petmalu iponaryo. Number 7, may tipid monitoring chart. Number 8, top 15 iponaryo tips para umasenso sa buhay. Number 9, my smart iponaryo chart. Number 10, my Ipon challenge sticker. Number 11, iponaryo savings formula to solve your hashtag gastos pa more problem. Number 12, my 52-week Ipon challenge. 13, my Ipon monitoring chart. 14, handa ka na bang maging isang certified iponaryo? Number 15 is panatang iponaryo. So about the author, Chinkee is a top Filipino motivational speaker, wealth and life coach whose goal is to inform, educate, motivate, and disturb. His vision is to help people become financially literate and debt-free. For more info about Chinkee, please visit his fan page at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also follow Viber public group chat, search Chinkee and Vision Chinkee on YouTube for more news and encouragement. Click the link below to get a copy of the book. And you can get my free ebook, The 5 Easy Steps on How to Invest Mutual Funds in the Philippines for Beginners, by typing in the comment Filipino mutual fund investors, and I will give you the link of my free ebook.